Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
That is peanut butter. This is organic creamy peanut butter, no salt or sugar added. Mike Foster here. Believe it or not, this is a why you should eat peanut butter. People are like, peanut butter, Mike, come on. That can't be healthy for you. Believe it or not, it is. But you have to buy this kind. You have to get the kind that has nothing in it except for peanuts. This has nothing but peanuts in it. Now, you can't just eat a whole bottle. It's got 180 calories. So it's got calories, but it's got good fats. It's got 8 grams of protein, and it's got fiber too. It's got 3 grams of fiber. Right there, that's a good reason to eat it. 8 grams of plant-based protein and 3 grams of fiber. Why else should you eat peanut butter? Well, it's loaded with copper, which is good for your bones. It's got vitamin E, which is good for your skin. It's got vitamins B3, B6. It's got magnesium and manganese. It's heart healthy. It's because of this, it's got this acid in it. It's called oleic, O-L-E-I-C, oleic acid, which is good for a lot of stuff. Oleic acid helps blood sugars, cholesterol, helps lower your blood pressure, or at least keep your blood pressure good, fights diabetes. These antioxidants in here fights cancers, and peanut butter can even fight heart disease, believe it or not. It's got resveratrol in it. Now, what else has resveratrol? That's a nutrient that's in grapes, and you can get it in wine, but I don't drink wine anymore. You get it from grapes, and it's a really great, strong antioxidant, which helps fight cancers, helps your immune system, and it's also heart healthy. It's really good for your heart. Believe it or not, I'm talking about peanut butter. The other great thing about peanut butter, now that's a big dollop right there, is I love it. It tastes great. Eat it on a cracker. Eat it on toast to start your day. Put it on fruit. Peanut butter. It's messy, but believe it or not, it's actually good for you. Check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365, for more videos like this. Tell people about it, subscribe, and until next time, eat your peanut butter, and peace.
Live life 365.
Helps fight. It's not enough. Yeah, that's about it.